Hey there, Deborah Donaldson here, and in today's video I'm going to be covering a free report that my mentor created called The Bull and the Beast. And in this report, he reveals the truth about making money online. And in this video, I'm going to give you a taste of what's in this report and show you the next steps so that you can achieve your goals. So number one, basically the affiliate marketing industry is broken. There's just so much hype out there. People are making all the financial claims and saying how easy it is and all this kind of stuff that in some ways it's become saturated with a whole ton of exaggerated claims. And the problem with this is that it sets really unrealistic expectations. The information is almost presented selectively, like just showing the good part and not necessarily the downsides. And there are challenges to being successful to affiliate marketing, and it does require work, action to succeed. So many times when you see people who have achieved success quickly, it's because they already have experience either in the industry or experience in marketing, experience with tech, skills that transfer over that make it easier for them to implement the steps necessary for affiliate marketing. If you are at all like me, I didn't have any of that experience. I started from scratch. And I found it to be a lot harder than I anticipated. And I always felt like I was behind the curve, like, oh, shoot, I just missed the wave, or things have changed so much that what all the classes I purchased were, I kind of felt like they were outdated because all of a sudden that's not working anymore. And affiliate marketing can be a real challenge in terms of achieving success. It is possible, but like I said, it does take work, it takes dedication. You have to know the reason why you are really working towards this. And a lot of times the people who have been successful, they turn around and create a course promising quick and easy wealth, and they don't really reveal the whole journey. So a lot of times you get a preconceived notion on how easy it is because you just see the person once they're successful. You don't see the whole journey, the years that they spent, honing their skills and getting better at what they're doing. So a lot of times you may get an unrealistic view of what all is necessary for success. And so a lot of people are spending money at the computer and you're working so hard to create that better life for yourself. And basically you're being taken for a fool. So with this report from my mentor and with this presentation, I'm going to not only show you the next step you need to take for success, also hopefully break some of those preconceived notions and show you what it really takes to be successful in this industry. So basically, if you may have been told how easy it is just to make all kinds of money. You see it on TikTok and Instagram, make $10,000 by tomorrow, but it hasn't happened for you yet. And you may be absolutely clueless as to why. I feel like I'm doing everything that everyone else is doing. Why aren't I successful? And what you're going to discover in this report is basically a truth that not a lot of people talk about. It's not going to be an easy read, but if you want to really be successful online, this can be the difference between spending your years stuck or losing, not achieving what you want, or getting your life-altering success. This report is really critical, and it includes a reality that no one's going to tell you. You might be thinking, you might be not cut out for this game. Not everyone is suited for the challenges of making money online, despite what the industry wants you to believe. Most people want to go for the make money online offers, but a lot of times you can be much more successful going for something that you are truly interested in, a smaller market, or say it's dog training or golf or something like that, that is not in the make money online niche. It can take a lot longer than you think it's going to, because all of the things out there is like, my grandma was able to implement this in 2 hours and now she's making all this money. You've seen those offers online, and they're all promising something, but this is not a get rich quick kind of industry, and it's going to take longer than you think, and it's going to take a lot harder, more work than you think. and you might get more discouraged than you think you're going to. So people think, hey, I'll just buy this course and it's a done for you. I'll just sit back and the money's going to start pouring in. But that is not the way it works. So don't fall for it. The get rich quick schemes don't work. It takes dedication and it takes applying what you learn. You're going to have to work hard and probably put in more time than you expect. So the transformation journey, money-making adventure may well break you down before it builds you up. So you might hit a lot of discouragement before you actually start seeing some result. A lot of times you're going to have to move out of your comfort zone in order to achieve that success that you're looking for. A lot of people end out quitting because it's like, oh, I don't want to do that, and so they end up quitting before they achieve their success. It's going to take time and effort and energy in order to make a difference. If you are willing to endure short-term pain, face the discomfort, push through your resistance, and keep showing up when most of the other population would quit, and just do the work, then you are going to succeed. And your ultimate reward is that you're going to be the best version of yourself. So it's not only going to change your bank account, it's going to change your life. The report that I'm putting the link in the description below, after you read through that, you're going to understand why things haven't worked out and what it's going to actually take to go from zero to making your income online, even if you are a complete beginner. So this report is called The Bull and the Beast, and everyone has two sides to the personality. And basically, I don't want to go through the whole report and reveal the whole thing. So you can download it for free in the description below. I'm putting the link down there.